Welcome back to New Motorhome, your ultimate destination for the world's most luxurious, futuristic, and adventure-ready motorhomes. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the all-new 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome, finished in a stunning metallic gray exterior with an elegant gray and white premium interior. This isn't just another camper. It's a luxury expedition motorhome built for people who want to travel without sacrificing comfort, technology, or style. From the very first glance, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma Motorhome dominates the showroom with its commanding presence. Its bold stance, massive dimensions, rugged 6x6 chassis, and aggressive off-road design make every ordinary vehicle nearby look incredibly small. At the front, Toyota's signature grille immediately captures your attention. Slim matrix LED headlights blend perfectly with a full-width LED light bar, creating a futuristic appearance that's impossible to ignore. A reinforced steel bumper, heavy-duty skid plates, and powerful recovery hooks prove this motorhome is engineered for serious off-road adventures. The panoramic windshield provides outstanding visibility while giving the cabin a premium, open-air feeling. As you walk around to the side, the Tacoma's proportions become even more impressive. The long expedition body flows seamlessly into the heavy-duty chassis, creating the perfect balance between rugged capability and modern luxury. Large panoramic windows with premium privacy glass allow natural light to fill the interior while maintaining complete privacy. The metallic gray finish reflects the showroom lights beautifully, giving the motorhome a sophisticated appearance from every angle. Massive all-terrain tires wrapped around premium alloy wheels provide exceptional ground clearance, allowing this luxury motorhome to confidently tackle mountains, deserts, forests, and rocky trails. This isn't simply a vehicle. It's a mobile luxury residence designed for unlimited exploration. But the real surprise begins the moment the entrance door opens. Inside, you're welcomed by an elegant gray and white luxury interior, featuring premium leather seating, soft ambient lighting, modern wood accents, and a spacious open layout that feels more like a five-star luxury apartment than a traditional motorhome. Join New Motorhome as we step inside the 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome and discover why this could be one of the most breathtaking expedition campers ever imagined. As the entrance door quietly opens, the atmosphere changes completely. You leave the rugged exterior behind and step into a world that feels more like a luxury penthouse than an expedition motorhome. Soft gray leather seats with elegant white inserts create a clean, modern, and sophisticated atmosphere. Every surface feels premium, from the hand-stitched dashboard to the brushed aluminum accents and natural wood trim. The ambient LED lighting flows beautifully throughout the cabin, highlighting every detail without feeling overwhelming. During the day, large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, while at night, the soft illumination transforms the cabin into a relaxing luxury lounge. Moving into the driver's cockpit, Toyota has completely reimagined the driving experience. A massive fully digital instrument cluster displays navigation, off-road terrain data, tire pressure, suspension status, and real-time vehicle information with crystal-clear graphics. The oversized infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and a premium surround view camera system, giving the driver complete confidence whether navigating city streets or remote mountain trails. The multifunction leather steering wheel feels solid and luxurious, while the ergonomically designed seats provide outstanding comfort for long-distance adventures. Every button, switch, and control has been carefully positioned within easy reach, making every journey effortless. Behind the cockpit, the spacious living area immediately becomes the heart of the motorhome. A large U-shaped sofa finished in premium gray leather surrounds an elegant dining table that can quickly transform into an additional sleeping space. Whether you're enjoying breakfast with your family, working remotely, or simply relaxing after a long drive, this lounge provides exceptional comfort. Above, hidden LED lighting and panoramic skylights create a bright and open atmosphere, making the interior feel significantly larger than most conventional motorhomes. The craftsmanship is remarkable. Premium soft-touch materials cover nearly every visible surface, while carefully integrated storage compartments keep the cabin clean and organized. Even the smallest details, from the cabinet handles to the stitching patterns, reflect Toyota's attention to luxury and quality. Just behind the lounge, you'll find one of the most impressive areas of this 2027 Toyota Tacoma luxury motorhome. A fully equipped premium kitchen designed for life on the road. As you step into the kitchen, it's immediately clear that this isn't a typical RV. Toyota has created a modern space that combines elegance with everyday practicality. The spacious countertops feature a premium stone-style finish, while the soft gray and white color theme blends perfectly with the rest of the interior. A large induction cooktop, deep stainless steel sink, premium matte black faucet, built-in microwave, and convection oven provide everything needed to prepare meals anywhere in the world. Hidden soft close cabinets and deep pull-out drawers offer generous storage for cookware, groceries, and kitchen essentials, ensuring everything stays secure even on rough off-road trails. Across from the kitchen sits a full-size smart refrigerator with freezer compartments, allowing travelers to store fresh food for extended adventures without compromise. Moving toward the rear of the motorhome, you'll discover the beautifully designed master bedroom. The luxurious queen-size bed is surrounded by soft gray and white leather panels, premium fabric finishes, and elegant wood accents that create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Large panoramic windows fill the bedroom with natural light during the day and offer breathtaking views of mountains, forests, beaches, or desert landscapes at sunrise. Integrated reading lights, wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and climate controls are conveniently placed beside the bed, ensuring maximum comfort without leaving your seat. Storage is equally impressive. Large overhead cabinets, hidden compartments beneath the bed, and full-height wardrobes provide more than enough space for clothing, luggage, and travel equipment. Just beside the bedroom is the premium bathroom. Despite being inside a motorhome, it feels remarkably spacious. A full walk-in shower with rainfall showerhead, elegant glass partition, modern vanity, illuminated mirror, premium sink, and luxury toilet create a hotel-like experience wherever your journey takes you. High-quality waterproof materials and hidden storage compartments keep the bathroom practical while maintaining a clean and sophisticated appearance. Throughout the interior, Toyota has integrated advanced smart technology. Voice-controlled lighting, automatic climate control, premium surround sound, wireless internet connectivity, multiple USB-C charging stations, and intelligent energy management systems ensure that every journey is as comfortable as life at home. Whether you're camping beside a peaceful lake, parked in the mountains, or exploring a remote desert, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome delivers luxury without limits. But this incredible motorhome isn't just about comfort. After exploring the stunning exterior, luxurious interior, and premium living space, it's finally time to discover what truly makes the 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome one of the most exciting expedition campers ever imagined. Press the start button, and the cabin comes to life with complete refinement. The engine starts smoothly, while the advanced suspension immediately reminds you that this isn't just a luxury motorhome, it's a vehicle built to conquer almost any terrain. Whether you're driving through busy city streets, winding mountain roads, endless deserts, or remote forest trails, the intelligent 6x6 drivetrain continuously distributes power to maintain outstanding grip and stability. The high ground clearance, reinforced suspension, and heavy-duty off-road tires allow this massive motorhome to confidently cross rocks, mud, snow, and sand with remarkable ease. Despite its impressive size, the steering feels surprisingly precise and comfortable. Inside the cabin, road noise is kept to a minimum thanks to premium sound insulation, allowing passengers to relax, enjoy conversations, or simply admire the incredible scenery outside. One of the Tacoma motorhome's greatest strengths is its ability to remain completely independent during long adventures. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that continuously recharge the onboard battery system. Large freshwater and wastewater tanks, intelligent power management, satellite communication, roof storage racks, and multiple exterior storage compartments allow travelers to explore remote destinations for days without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're parked beside a peaceful lake, overlooking the ocean, camping deep inside a forest, or watching the sunset across the desert, this motorhome transforms every destination into your own private luxury resort. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome is expected to start at approximately $950,000, depending on the selected equipment, customization options, and expedition package. While this places it firmly in the ultra-luxury category, the combination of premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, exceptional off-road capability, and luxurious living space makes it an unforgettable investment for serious adventure enthusiasts. At the end of the day, this isn't simply a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury home. A vehicle designed to take you beyond the limits of ordinary travel while surrounding you with premium comfort every single mile. So, if you had the opportunity to own this incredible 2027 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 luxury motorhome, where would your first adventure begin? Would you choose the mountains, the desert, the coastline, or an unforgettable cross-country expedition? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's exclusive showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another luxury motorhome featured here on New Motorhome. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.